Welcome to another CMD tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install pip in CMD. All right. First up, let's just go ahead and open up CMD. Now, I'm going to type in the Python version just to show you. Right here, I have 3.13.2. And just to show you as well, I already installed the pip. All right. Minus version, but not using CMD. And today I'm going to show you again how to install it using CMD. Now, in the description below, I have this command. Just paste it, all right, and hit on enter and wait for the process to finish. It'll be quick, and as you can see here, it's already done. Now, what you're going to do next is just type in pip space -- version to check the pip version, all right? Hit on enter, and as you can see here, I have pip 24.3.1, and it is installed right here in this directory. If you do get an error where it says warning and it has a directory right there, now just go ahead and copy that directory. It will say right here at the very end, it will say script. All right, just copy it, highlight it, and then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Now it is copied. Now go to your search bar right here and type in environment. Here, click on edit the system environment variables. Click on it. Now this one will open. Now go ahead and click on environment variables right here. And here, click on path as well. We want to change the whole system's variables, not just for this specific user profile. All right, this one, highlight path, hit on edit. Now click on new. Now again, from the error right here on CMD, copy the directory and paste that in here. Once done, just hit on OK. After that, close the command prompt, open it up again. Now check your pip version. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.